gotta see this. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Vanessa nigga.
What's up guys, Jamie Media here today with another video.
Yeah!
We are doing some hydro dipping. We got the white fidget spinner with no bearings, you know.
We're trying to get mine out, but
why'd you put it on your ear?
Being a dog.
Yeah, we're trying to get like Jack's bearings out and they won't come out.
Don't fucking
Being
move.
a dog.
Dog. No, it's a bit of fucking wombat.
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 You know you can keep those bearings in.
Why'd you take yours out?
No, you just need to take the middle one out.
No.
Yes?
The finger things go over it.
Yeah, but if it goes in the middle, then your bearing's fucked. And I don't know where to get the small bearings from.
Alright. Well.
Okay, so.
Go give me a cup, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. You want to
give me a cup, guys?
I'll take the camera.
I'm gonna start my video, guys.
No, I'm gonna.
Me.
I'm stealing Jack's thing. Nah, Jack's. But do your fogosode, buddy.
Fogosode, boys.
Bro, that's so funny. Are you gonna fucking wipe it off, bro?
No.
I'll wipe it off.
Because I'm not gay. Guys, look at all my fidget spinners. Plus that black one over there.
Pretty close to way back.
Look, guys, we're gonna start vlogging.
He's gonna vlog.
Because my camera, I can't record on it. What?
With this dude?
Cobber?
Cobber?
Probably.
Jack.
I don't know, get a proper cup maybe.
So Jamie's rail. Okay, so this is gonna be a street episode now, Jax.
Yeah, boys.
Jamie's rail. The boys. Yeah, the boys.
Nah, I gotta start my vlog.
Can I be in it?
No!
What is up, my dudes?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Jeremy and Jamie's over there somewhere. Today I'm gonna be doing paint sputter on my black
Behind the
fidget
scenes,
spinners.
Bro. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes of Jamie's vlogs.
I'm gonna be doing paint sputter on my black fidget spinner right here.
Behind the scenes.
And yeah. And there's Jamie there. He's getting me a cup so I can do it.
This work?
So yeah, I'll show you.
This work?
No.
Yeah, just put it there and just go.
You stupid? Come on, hurry up.
Yes or no?
Just get one.
Behind the
I'll just
scenes.
use
No,
this.
you can't use that.
Why?
Jack.
Get a proper cup. Cup.
Can I hold it?
No. Behind the scenes. Unfollow. Ah!
So everyone.
No, it's too small. Are you stupid? Get a cup.
That's the exact same wide as a cup.
C-U-P.
It's the exact same.
Just get a cup.
They're having an argument, bro.
Jeremy.
Okay, so
I'm not a rebel.
you think Jack's not a rebel? Oh no, guys, comment down below if you think Jack's a rebel.
Holy shit.
Go, Jack. Are you a rebel?
How the fuck did you get over here?
Oh, I don't. Oh, rebel, savage.
Say hello to my chicken.
Where's your chicken? Hello. Say hello to
Guys, so Jamie just like bring out this random chicken right here.
like who?
Say hello to my chicken.
Say hello to the vlog, Mr. Chicken.
What's its name?
No, it's not a vlog.
That's retard chicken because
Yeah,
it has a
alright, boy! Can you hurry up, Jamie? It's getting dark!
Jack.
So, can you dab for the vlog, like?
Behind the scenes of me dabbing. Ready, set. Fuck you, savage!
Jamie!
Okay. So guys, we're gonna get some rail clips for Jamie's vlog. Jack, do you wanna do it? No, that won't work. Film me, Jack. You wanna do some clips? Oh, jeez.
Jamie, hurry up!
Hurry up, boy! Okay, so Jamie's back, so we're gonna like, so the video's not so long, we're gonna take you to where we're hydro dripping, so see ya.
Okay, so we're gonna hydro dip now.
Wait. I'm glass on the board, don't do it in the fucking driveway.
Don't do it on the fucking driveway.
Okay, I got the water. You know, gonna put the spray paint in there.
Are we doing it on the grass?
Yep. Doing it on the grass. Okay.
Do it on the board.
Do it on the board.
I'm not even get paint on the board.
Okay. Put that on the
It's
board.
gonna rust the bearings if you put the paint on it.
I put paint on the bearings.
Yeah, then
There we go.
Right, so Jamie's starting his video with the, oh my god.
oh my god.
Go put the water on quick. I'll do it, because you're recording.
Hold your hand on
Wait, I'll record.
Okay, and we need a stick.
No, you need to put more in. You don't just put one layer of
catch
each.
them in the fork.
No.
You record, I know what I'm doing. I've done that
Yeah,
before.
you do it. Need black now.
We need another cap for this.
I
Wait, it's
know.
looking good so far.
I know, right? Dad's just like getting the bearings out for Jeremy.
Oh, I stuffed it up, but it's all good. It's all good.
Just put heaps of black in it, and then white, then black, then white, black, and white.
Oh. What?
Where's the
Yeah.
black tape off that now? There you go.
Shake
What
it.
the? Oh no.
This is a bit annoying because we don't have a cap for the other one. There we go.
You reckon dip it now?
Mm,
Get a stick in a minute. In a minute. Just wait.
Just use this.
get a stick now.
No, one more white.
One more white. Then get this stick and mix it around.
Oh no, my helmet. What's cheating going on? Do you reckon swirl her around now? You just stuffed it.
So guys, last night when I was hydro dipping my camera, it went flat. So I didn't get to record all of it. If you want to see all of it, go on to Jack_media and then you'll get to see the full footage. But I'm just showing you the finished product. The caps aren't exact because they're off my other fidget spinner. But here's the finished product. It looks pretty crappy. DIY gone wrong. You know, do not listen to what I say, okay? With DIY fidget spinning hydro dip. Because I stuffed it up. But Jack's paint splatter one looks like okay. It's better than this. So, hope you enjoyed. Didn't get to watch most of it, but I hope you can understand that my camera went flat. And see you in the next one. So, see you later, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Get me 100 subs. I'll be doing a giveaway. So, see you next time, guys.